Welcome to the open house party of the list in Marbella. Stay tuned not only because I'm going to show you an amazing house and opportunity in the zone, but specifically how this is a sample of how Marbella can be and what it means to some developers important here in the market like Top Gestión. We are here today in La Finca de Marbella, one of the most beautiful zones in this municipality, if you ask my opinion. Why? Because this is not the bling bling of Puerto Banús. This is not the area you will have to pay like 10 millions for a crazy property, but at the same time, it's a very style like California, but here in the south of Europe. It's a flat area, no buildings, a lot of space, privacy, gardens, and the tranquility you can enjoy here being so close to the main places top in this municipality like the beaches of Marbella, Puerto Banús, etc. Many clients ask me what is going on with Marbella actually, because you have places like the town, old town, very nice, very quiet for normal families, and you have places you will have to pay like La Zagaleta, 20 millions for a mansion. This urbanization is a perfect example of it. This is the list. This is one project from Top Gestión, one of the top 5 developers in Spain, and it's amazing. Only 3 units remaining. We are here today on the open house party just to show you exactly what you can get and specifically how can Top Gestión can produce all kind of top products in simple units in Higuerón, like top villages like this. This villa, even if you won't have the budget to buy, is one of that kind of places you need to see. This is 600 meters of an independent house with 4 floors, elevator, but not only about the sizes, not only about the quality, it's the details they have been using or thinking about designing this amazing property. The interior design has been done by Pedro Peña and Ismael, that is one of the greatest architects in Costa del Sol. We're here right now in the solarium, which is one of the greatest areas you can have because we're talking about 100 square meters that you can do all kind of events. Not only parties, but having your own jacuzzi, having a glass of wine on the sunset, and all of this kind of details, you know, you will be enjoying and being in love here in Costa del Sol. We're talking about a massive house with 6 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. And it doesn't matter what you think or you might say about Marbella. Being awake every day in a room like this, we're in the master bedroom, is something that just a few will be able to enjoy. You will have a lot of space, a suite bathroom, walk-in closets, anything you can ask for, you will have in this kind of house. And this is the good thing about the magic of Marbella. Let's say this kind of mansions is not only a house that you can have for living, it's also one of the top investments someone can do because Marbella is full of people all year round looking for party, private events, a lot of places they can share with friends and do some magic times. They will be even flying from some all over the world just to enjoy here. Bear in mind this kind of property, when you buy it and you put it as an investment, you can do weddings, you can do private events, you can do private parties, even renting this property per month will cost no less than 15,000. So this is something that really to take into consideration when you're looking as a person or as a company to invest in a marvelous sea views like this with the green area and all this house has to offer to you. This is probably one of the greatest areas of this mansion. We're talking over 150 square meters with a lounge, costume bar, your own underground entrance parking, plus 2 guest bedrooms, but also a stunning gym with a huge TV that you can enjoy for sports and any kind of events you would like to watch. So you can call it a caveman, you can call it the special area of the house, but this is a must to see. Because you have to take into consideration that in this property they have invested at least 1 million euros all about the furnitures, gym equipments, all the kind of marbles they have been using, the wood materials. So this is one of great opportunity. It won't be easy to be found at the price you can get right now in the following days with the kind of qualities, specifications, and all the details have been thought about developing this exclusive villa. The two goals of my visit to this property was first to celebrate what Top Gestión can do with this kind of product in this kind of area and to show they can build and produce any kind of top real estate products here in Costa del Sol. But the most important is to show to people that in Marbella is impossible to live or to buy because it's already too expensive and you have to spend millions on it. That right now in Costa del Sol, what is going on is many people are investing in penthouses, in some units in places like Estepona, even Fuengirola or Higuerón, over $1 million for a penthouse, when you can have a villa right now still in this new development, only 3 left including this property, that you will have all kind of things you have been thinking about the Costa del Sol and beyond. If you would like to know more not only about these properties but any kind of new developments and resales properties in Costa del Sol in Malaga, be in contact and I will see you next time, but here in Spain.